Augmented reality is rapidly changing how we interact with the world around us. It overlays digital content onto our physical environment, creating immersive and engaging experiences. Businesses are beginning to recognize the immense potential of AR for growth and innovation. Tom Emrich's book, The Next Dimension, offers a comprehensive guide to understanding and harnessing the power of AR. AR is more than just a technological advancement. It represents a fundamental shift in how we experience information and interact with brands. This essay will delve into the key concepts from Emrich's book, exploring how businesses can leverage AR to enhance marketing, transform customer experiences, and drive growth. From spatial computing to AR commerce, we will examine the various facets of this transformative technology. Prepare to enter a new dimension of business possibilities, where the lines between the physical and digital worlds blur, and immersive experiences become the norm. AR is not just a trend, it is the future of how we will live, work, and play. Spatial computing is at the heart of augmented reality. It enables digital content to interact with our physical space in a way that was previously unimaginable. Unlike traditional computing, which confines us to two-dimensional screens, spatial computing allows us to interact with digital information in 3 dimensions. Imagine pointing your smartphone at a busy street and seeing virtual arrows guiding you to your destination, superimposed on the real world. Or consider using an AR app to visualize how a new sofa would look in your living room before making a purchase. These are just a few examples of how spatial computing is transforming our daily lives. This shift from 2D to 3D interactions has profound implications for businesses. It opens up a world of possibilities for creating more engaging and immersive customer experiences. By understanding the principles of spatial computing, businesses can begin to develop innovative AR strategies that will give them a competitive edge. Augmented reality is revolutionizing the marketing landscape, offering brands unprecedented opportunities to engage with consumers in interactive and memorable ways. Mobile AR experiences, powered by smartphones and tablets, have emerged as a powerful tool for marketers. Imagine scanning a product package with your smartphone to unlock exclusive content, such as behind-the-scenes videos or interactive games. Or consider attending a concert where AR overlays enhance the performance with stunning visuals and special effects. These immersive experiences create a deeper connection between brands and consumers. AR is also breathing new life into traditional marketing channels. Print ads can be transformed into interactive portals, allowing customers to explore products in 3D or access exclusive deals. Billboards can become dynamic and engaging, delivering personalized messages based on location and time of day. Section 4. AR Commerce: Transforming the Shopping Experience. The rise of AR commerce is blurring the lines between online and in-store shopping experiences. AR allows customers to try before they buy, visualize products in their own homes, and access personalized recommendations. This technology is transforming the way we shop and interact with brands. Imagine using an AR app to virtually try on clothes from the comfort of your own home, or to visualize how a piece of furniture would look in your living room before making a purchase. AR-powered virtual showrooms allow customers to browse products in a realistic and immersive environment, enhancing the online shopping experience. In-store shopping is also being transformed by AR. Customers can use their smartphones to access product information, compare prices, and receive personalized recommendations while browsing physical stores. AR-powered interactive displays can showcase products in engaging ways, creating a more memorable shopping experience. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment for more videos.